Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you could be notified every time I'm on YouTube.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pooja. So in today's video, I'm going to share a really quick, delicious and healthy recipe for nutty date truffle. It would not take much of your time, and since I am really lazy when it comes to cooking, so I always look for quick and easy recipes. Now let's move ahead, but before that, if you're new to my channel, then subscribe to it and click on that bell button so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started.
We'll start with all the ingredients you need for recipe. All you need are dates, some nuts like almonds, walnuts and seeds. Also take some cocoa powder, almond and coconut flour and some ghee. First I'll take paste of dates which I have soaked in warm water for around 20 minutes. Now I'll add my favorite nuts like chopped almonds, walnuts, muskmelon seeds and then some flax seeds. After that I've added 2 spoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, some ghee. Now I'm gonna mix it well. And if you feel that your batter is not as thick as tight dough, add some coconut flour or almond flour as per the requirement. And you're done. Transfer your dough in a dish, spread it, freeze it, cut it and finally have it.
So this is how my nutty date truffle looks like. I'm really excited, so I'm just going to try it. It is really good. So the dates that I've added this time are slightly more sweeter than the dates I've added previously. So I would suggest you to taste your dates before deciding on how much dates you're going to add in your recipe. So this is how I keep tab on my sugar intake. You can also experiment with the recipe by adding your own choice of nuts. I like to add walnuts and almonds because I really like them. This is all I have for today. I really hope you guys are enjoying my video. See you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.